If you enjoy this video and would like to see more, please take a moment to subscribe and support the channel. Ancient cultures worship mythological creatures as gods. In fact, most Egyptian gods were therianthropic or even hybrid. It turns out we have some of our own modern hybrid creatures to showcase. The next 10 hybrid animals are the work of nature and science combined. The ZONKEY. As made up as it sounds, the ZONKEY is the result of crossbreeding a male zebra and a female donkey. Physically, it appears to be more similar to a donkey with the exception of its beautifully striped coat, which tends to vary in each offspring. Just like donkeys, zebras and horses, zonkeys are herbivorous animals. They also tend to have more of a temper due to their zebra genes, which makes them more of a wild animal than a domestic one. The ZONY. Where there's a zonkey, there's also a ZONY. This is the product of crossbreeding a male zebra and a female pony. Zonies usually resemble their non-zebra parents but retain the stripes, which are often confined to small areas of their body, such as the legs or the neck. Sadly, like most crossbreed animals, they are unable to reproduce due to an odd number of chromosomes, disrupting the natural cell division. Even though they're harder to train, zebroid hybrids are preferred over their original parents due to their endurance and practicality for riding. The GEEP. This buoyant little hybrid is the offspring of a goat and a sheep. The most prominent similarities to a goat are the legs and the face, while the rest of the body resembles that of a sheep. The genetic difference between a goat and a sheep presents a real challenge in creating such a hybrid, which makes the occurrence very rare. It takes a perfect balance of exactly 57 chromosomes to obtain a healthy GEEP hybrid. The ZO. Yet another hybrid worth mentioning is the ZO. This particularly astonishing specimen is created by mating a domestic cow and a yak. Appearance-wise, it has a long shaggy coat and long horns, characteristics belonging to yaks, and a cattle-like face. An interesting fact about this hybrid is that the male is sterile while the female, known as ZOMO, is fertile. As opposed to GEEP and ZONYs, the ZO is not as rare due to the ability to backcross the female hybrid. WHOLPHINS. WHOLPHINS are extremely rare marine mammals that come from crossbreeding a bottlenose dolphin and a false killer whale. Physically, they share the characteristics of both parents, so the colour of their skin is a mixed shade of dark grey. There are currently 2 known WHOLPHINs, mother and daughter, which can be seen at Sea Life Park in Hawaii. The JAGLION. This majestic hybrid is produced by a male jaguar and a female lion. The 2 known JAGLIONs were bred in captivity by accident. They are a melanistic female and a male, which can be found at the Bear Creek Wildlife Sanctuary in Canada. The offsprings appear to have the facial characteristics of a lion and a beautifully spotted coat of a jaguar, giving them a very exclusive appearance. The MANGALICA pig. Also referred to as the sheep pig due to its woolly sheep-like coat. As opposed to what you may expect, this is not the hybrid offspring of a sheep and a pig. It is, however, the mating result of a specific type of Hungarian pig breed with a European wild boar and a Serbian breed. They are fairly popular in Eastern Europe, where they originated, as well as Germany, Switzerland and Austria. The breed was nearly extinct in the 19th century, but it has made a comeback and it's here to stay. The HUARIZO. This is a hybrid result of mating a male llama with a female alpaca. Their face, eyes and ears resemble that of a llama, while the body and the coat are those of an alpaca but slightly longer and coarser. This animal is usually sterile, but recent research has discovered that it may be possible to preserve its fertility with some genetic modification, therefore making it able to backcross and breed healthy offsprings. The Eastern Emerald ELYSIA. If you're thinking plant or animal, it's the latter. This green sea slug, scientifically known as ELYSIA chlorotica, is part animal and part plant thanks to its feeding habit. It feeds on algae and it produces chlorophyll just like a plant. The whole process revolves around stealing certain cells from the algae it consumes, assimilating them into its DNA. This process is called kleptoplasty. In the absence of its primary food source, the green sea slug can survive for extended periods of time just by feeding on light through the process of photosynthesis, which is exclusively a plant characteristic. Upon unfolding its parapodia, the ELYSIA chlorotica appears to be shaped like a green leaf, though its colour may vary from brown to bright green depending entirely on its diet. The CYBORG beetle. This remarkable invention was created by a group of researchers at the Singapore's Nanyang Technological University. The CYBORG beetle is a live beetle with multiple electronic implants in its legs, which serve to control its steps and its speed as well as its flight pattern remotely. The insect's purpose is to replace large drones in human rescue missions where a regular-sized drone may not be able to fit. So if you're ever stuck and in need of rescuing, don't panic, this miniature hero is up to the task.
If you want to see more videos like this one, remember to like and subscribe to get smart. Thanks for watching.